Hello and welcome to my video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the barn of your Amazfit Pro. Right, as you can see, it's been completely almost cut off, on a small barn left, and I'm going to show you with this glue how you're going to fix this. You can fix it pretty well and it will last for quite long, unless if you again aggressively interfere with it. So basically, yeah, try to put the glue there. And that, move the wrap a bit up and down. It will stay like this, but at least it will be quite firm. It will have a quite fixed position. So like this, your barn should last a couple of many more months. And I wish you all the best. Let me know if this fix works for you. And yes, comment below and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.